back up here and break this 3583. It's the perfect area, the perfect time, the perfect setup. This is the second day at that calculated level. We might make a run at it again today if we can't get through it. There's going to be some good short setups. That's what I'm trying to say. That's 2 days. 2 days attempting this calculated level. The third is one of my favorites. So anyway, just kind of pointing that out. It's time to pay attention. If we can't, end with a positive, somewhat positive catalyst, it's a perfect environment to unload and dump and sell into people. You get a bunch of people buying the shit out of everything because they think buying the dip works, and it always has. And they don't understand where the calculations are. They don't understand what real extension looks like and where to even see it. And they just start buying the shit out of it. And everybody that's made truckloads of money in this market. And so anything extended from the 200, I'm looking for a trend reversal back to 200. There's going to be some decent shorts. For me, like one of the best setups that I can think of here is a pop into the calculated level at the open. Anything that's extended. So Tesla's getting down here. 400, I'm having an eyeball on that. But I'll be looking for top of the hour setups. This thing is going to find a bottom and rip. But I've already got my position on here. Order filled. I'm just picking up a couple of Tesla calls there. So I'm gonna let this 5 close and then see if I can't get a short on in the 6th minute here. I mean, the puts on there on Amazon. I'll be looking for a nice setup here. Maybe hopefully top of the hour. See how we close out for 34.78 on Amazon. The Tesla calls will be ripping. I gotta take some profits here on those Tesla calls. We get up around 434. I'm gonna be taking some profits on these. The Amazon puts I'm gonna hang on to here. I got a stop in place, so I'm gonna be looking to take some profits. If it works, I'm looking to take another strike on this nice setup here at the top of the hour on Amazon. Nice setup here if we do get that pop into this. Nice hourly setup there. There we go. Taking some profits. Take a little profits on those puts there on Amazon. I'm looking for some more downside. 15-minute setup maybe. I don't know. Let's see where we're at. Tesla, I took profits on the calls. Let's talk price action. Looking at the price action, I've taken profits. Do I want to add, So Amazon's just, it's setting up lower lows, lower highs. It's not really building flags, inside candles, so forth. So, it's going to take a little time for this to set up. It's going to have to close a 5-minute candle over 34.80-ish, for me to be convinced there's any kind of a reversal going. Until then, it's just another short. It's just another leg down. And we're more likely to set new lows than we are reverse. We are setting a reversal candle here, so it's time to, keep an eye on it. I'm hoping for or expecting another push here into the calculated level. But I'm not cutting these puts until I see, proof that there's not more downside coming. So it's gonna have to close a 5-minute up around 75 for this thing to really even make an attempt at 78. Calc level to calc level, there's an opportunity here to catch Amazon short all the way down to 3,400. And I'm not gonna take myself out here. I've locked in my gains. I still got a little bit on here. I got a stop in place, and I'm gonna take another strike if we get a good hourly setup here. Here we go. Top of the hour. Amazon's popping right into calculated level. Right into pre-market lows. Beautiful Tesla, man. Beautiful. Calc level to calc level. I got to take a little profits on those calls there, man. Can't let this get away from me here. I know it's the top of the hour. We could rip through it, but it's calculated level. We've tapped it. I'm taking a little bit of profits there on Tesla calls. I got a decent Amazon put position on here. I've taken profits. Didn't get my ad. That's okay. I don't care. I've taken profits on Tesla. I'm just in a good spot. I like it. I took profits on the Tesla calls. I'm set now. I got stops in place. I really don't plan on adding and taking any more risk on here. Right at breakup, let's see, close 34.41. That's what our low is today. We're right into the 9 is at 24 on the daily. We haven't broke the 9. We haven't even wicked under the 9 on Amazon. So gonna have to take some profits, man. 40 is gonna be my target. I'm taking some off here at 40. Order filled. Taking some profits there. All right, so I just took me a little ad there. I locked in some nice gains on those puts, and I'm looking for a good 30-minute setup here before I, take on any more risk or anything. But this is why I like the model so much, Nicky Ray. Right? What did we do? Why is all of a sudden, I'm short? Why am I short? All of a sudden I'm short. What the hell is he doing? All of a sudden he's short. He's been long by the dip. Why is he short? Why is he short? Because we hit the calculated level. It's not anything new. I do this every time. Best price is my target when we're coming off a week's low, And then we can finally get over best price. This is my target. I've seen this break one time in my whole trading career. Even in all my back testing, you know, I've never seen this break, except, you know, in the back testing, I've seen it break, but to trade it, I've never seen it break, ever. This is where they stopped buying. This is their target. They pushed it right up through it. They sold into it. This is where they're done. They're done buying. There's not going to be a bid. I want to buy the positive slope dip on the way up, right? They are taking profits. So Amazon, looking at that 20 area, right? 20's next. I want to take some profits. There we go. Took a little bit off there. So I locked in some nice gains up there. Another 10 bucks out of those, 12 bucks out of those 50s, man. The 3450s, it's just beautiful, man. Beautiful. Look at that. Someone just bought my shit at 50 bucks. Can I just say again, I just love my model. I love the edge that it gives me. I love that I don't have to guess anymore, one way or another, what I think this market's going to do. I love that it just tells me exactly when to stop buying the dip. And I freaking nailed those calls on Tesla, boy. I got me, look at that, top ticked my sells. Paid for everything, man. My calls are paid for. My swings paid for. I still have my 413 average, and I will take some of that off on the pool. 400, I will take some of that off, but not all, but I will take a little bit of it off, and then I'll just add lower or add on another great setup to the top side. But I like where we're at. I like the 200. I'm gonna watch this tape on Amazon for a minute here. Let's see. I took profits there. I sold some, got paid again, and I'm almost out. Look at Amazon go, man. Hell yes. $77. These 3450s. $17 entry. $16.70 entry. And they just hit $77.60. Talk about number 3 here. I just had to focus there, whether or not I want to sell anything else or not. I only have a couple left. So been short Amazon from 34.78, $100 move. I got one more contract with 3450s, and I sold all the other ones. 112 bucks. These puts just hit 26 average now. 112, $11,284 on one contract. The bottom is in. I expect no more downside today. We're coming on 10 o'clock. We hit the 200 on the 60. I'm completely out. I sold my last contract at 110. I'm done.